morning of May 6, 2026, San Diego police officers located an occupied stolen vehicle on Tecolote Road in San Diego, California, and attempted a felony stop.
Able, can you direct units to where?
Sorry to cut you off. Yeah, Ephraim, we can direct them in once they get here. We'll keep eyes on it though, because this is a dead end. You guys have time to stage and get your resources in place before you contact. And actually, they're going to be moving now. Looks like they backed out.
The stolen vehicle, operated by 35-year-old Janet Hamill, traveled westbound on Tecolote Road. San Diego police officers arrived as Janet fled the scene, and a pursuit was initiated.
Ephraim, turning on. And it will confirm he's going westbound Tecolote, out back towards Marina.
10th floor westbound towards Marina. Further on the 647 call, second repeat calling in saying that the
I'll say next 7 at Marina Tecolote.
Able, 2 units behind it. Let me know when you guys light it up.
Hamill failed to yield and fled northbound on Interstate 5. She drove at speeds exceeding 90 miles per hour in moderate traffic. Hamill drove north toward Del Mar, exited on Via de Laval, and continued eastbound. Hamill continued on San Dieguito Road at speeds reaching 80 miles per hour. The pursuit was terminated due to her unsafe and erratic driving. Abel remained overhead monitoring Hamill as she drove onto Darby Farms Road and into a gated community in an apparent effort to evade officers. Sergeant Houchins and Officer Number 1 deployed, spiked strips on Darby Farms Road, and stood in a grassy embankment, anticipating Hamill would drive back in their direction. Hamill drove on the grassy embankment, avoiding the spike strips. Sergeant Houchins discharged his service weapon once in the direction of Hamill.
It's unknown if they drop something.
Sam, once she gets back out of this residential community, we will terminate.
Abel, she drove up on the embankment to avoid spikes. She's still on Derby Farms, heading back out towards San Diego.
Back on Derby Farm.
Stop these cars! Stop these cars! Stop! Stop! Okay. Go!
Hamill continued east towards Poway. On Ted Williams Parkway, the stolen vehicle was disabled by another set of spike strips, and Hamill was taken into custody.
That's on Ted Williams approaching Pomerado. Last unit of the traffic, can you identify your 20 for spikes?
We have 2 units with spikes on Ted Williams. Sorry.
Abel, give me the air. She TC'd off of Ted Williams Parkway. Looks like several units are pulling up to her now. She is still in the driver's seat.
Yeah, hold on. Move this one loose so you can get that. Yeah, no problem.
Janet Debbie Hamill, 35, was arrested and booked into the Las Colinas Detention and Reentry Facility, where she is being held without bail. She faces 2 counts of assault with a deadly weapon on a law enforcement officer, possession of a stolen vehicle, grand theft, felony reckless evading, and violation of parole. The sergeant who fired, a 16-year veteran assigned to the Western Division, was not injured. The San Diego County Sheriff's Office is leading the investigation, after which the case will be forwarded to the District Attorney's Office for review.